try. So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be crocheting today. Now, I'm definitely not a stranger to crocheting. I learned how to crochet when I was like really young, and I used to do it all the time, and I haven't done it in a long time, but like everything I know is still there, because even though it looks complicated and like when you're doing it, like it looks like it's really hard, I swear it's literally like the easiest thing ever. Like it's not hard at all. But I've never actually made like any clothes. I've made like squares and like, I don't know, like headbands and stuff, but I've never made like a shirt or like a hat or anything. And I tried to, like a few years ago, I tried to make a shirt, but I didn't know how, and then I also just like never finished it, so I haven't made any clothes, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna make a crop top and a bucket hat. I'm gonna put the tutorials that I'm following down below so you can follow them if you want to make them. Trust me, like I said, crocheting is easy. It's not as hard as it looks. You could do it. I was originally gonna start with the bucket hat, but my black yarn hasn't arrived yet, only my white one has. So I'm going to start with the crop top. I'm going to make a white crop top that looks like this. Let's get started. Oh. Oh, don't fall. Okay. I have the size hook that she's using. I have it on my TV right here so that I can like watch while I'm filming. How do you open this? Look at how big this is. I'm probably gonna have leftover after I make the top, and I want to make a white bucket hat too. I hear the ice cream truck. I want ice cream. I got ice cream. So I'm gonna eat this and I'll be back when I'm finished. I'm back. The first thing like that the tutorial says to do is we're gonna make one of the cups, like the you know, the cups. So I'm gonna time lapse making the first one, and then I'll come back once I've finished making like the whole cup. You know, I'll tell you how it went. This is actually really easy because I just used the same stitch the entire time. I have finished the first cup. I guess it took a long time, but it was really fun, so I didn't really like care about how long it took. But it was really, really easy. And throughout the whole thing, I've been watching Barbie and the 12 Dancing Princesses. If you don't enjoy Barbie movies, then what's wrong with you? It's on YouTube for free, so I'm watching it, you know? So I finished this one, and I'm gonna do the next one, which is gonna take a long time. It's probably gonna be like completely dark outside by the time I finish. This is only gonna take a second for you, and it's gonna take like an hour for me. See you when I'm finished with my second one. So what happened was the very first one I made, I messed up at like the very beginning, and like I didn't think it would mean that much, so I just kept going and I finished it, right? And then I was looking at it and I made the second one, and I was like, never mind, it looks really different. So I just made 2 whole new ones, and I'm like basically a pro at making these now. Like, it doesn't even take me that long. So I want to finish it tonight, but I want it to be daytime when I finish. So tomorrow I'll finish the shirt and I'll, try it on and stuff. So that's all for tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow. It's the next day, and I looked on Amazon and it said that my black yarn should be coming tonight. So in the meantime, I'm going to finish this shirt because this is all I have so far. So I'm trying to do a transition. I will see you when I'm finished. It's actually been a few days since I filmed that part, but this is the shirt. Super cute, summery, only took me 2 days, and the entire shirt used the same stitch, so it was so easy. So it took longer than expected. I finished it and it was nighttime already, so that's why it's been a few days. I really like it though, and so I was gonna make the hat because my yarn came, but then I saw it looks like this. It's really small and I can't really make anything with it. So I ordered a new one that's the same brand and stuff as this one. So I don't know when it's gonna come, but by my next video I'll have the hat finished, so I'll show it to you then. And I'm also gonna make a white one, so I'll also show you the white one in my next video. But that's all for today. Like this video if you liked it, leave a comment down below other videos you'd like to see. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!